Remove power cable and all input and output devices. Transfer your system unit in your work table. Prepare the tools needed. Remove all metallic accessories on your body. Remove the static energy in your body by touching any metallic part of the chassis. Remove the screw and open the system unit. To remove the power supply, unscrew the screws and detach the 24-pin and 4-pin power connector. Also, remove the SATA or the Serial Advanced Technology Attachment Connector. Remove the optical disk drive and hard disk drive and set aside for further cleaning. Remove all the connectors for the front panel and carefully detach the random access memory. Then carefully remove the motherboard. Clean the random access memory with an eraser. Clean the optical disk drive with a cloth. Use a brush to clean the hard disk drive. Remove the cooling system of the central processing unit carefully. With the use of the brush, clean the aluminum heatsink and the CPU fan. Clean the motherboard carefully. After cleaning, attach all the removed components back to the motherboard. Put the motherboard back to the chassis and fasten it with screws. Attach the cooling system power connector. Attach all the front panel connectors to each designated pins. Reboot the power supply back to the system unit. Install the optical disk drive and the hard disk drive in the system unit. Connect the power connectors and SATA cables to the motherboard, hard disk drive, and optical disk drive. Close the motherboard and test if the system unit is working.